Welcome to Art Hub. Let's draw rainbow handprint. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to my channel for more drawing and painting videos for kids. Like and share this video. Let's make it neat and prominent. Let's color together. Red color. We are using rainbow colors. Orange color. Yellow color. Light green color. Light blue color. Purple color. Again red color. Orange. Let's complete these colors. Red color. We are using red color. Which color we are using? We are using red color. Good job. Orange color. We are using orange color. Yellow color. We are using yellow color. Light green color. We are using light green color. Light blue color. Purple color. We are using purple color. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to my channel for more drawing and painting videos for kids. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.